Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Desmond here, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money while you're out there doing Uber and Lyft, guys. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about a nasty little scam that Uber and Lyft riders do. And this scam, it doesn't get you like deactivated or suspended or anything, but it does cost you time, and time in this game, of course, is money, guys. And the scam I'm talking about today that these riders do, this little nasty scam these riders do, it is called the Uber and Lyft race, guys. What they will do, guys, is they will actually go on their phones, and this is something that happens in two different times. One, it's during an event where it's very high traffic, volatile demand and everything else, and they're leaving like a football game or concert and everything, and they're just trying to get somebody to pick them up. Or when it's very low demand and there's not that many drivers out there and they have someplace they need to be, guys. So what these guys, what they will do is this. They will actually go into their phone and they will pull up Uber. They will request a ride. They will go on Lyft and they will request a ride. And here's the thing. Whichever gets to them first is who they're gonna take the ride with, guys. And it's a nasty little tactic that they do, because here's the thing. In a very high demand, volatile situation, guys, they'll do this because, let's say for instance you're driving on Uber and you get their request and you're 2 miles on the road, but then somebody on Lyft get the request and they are right around the corner. Well, you accept the trip, they accept the trip, they get there first. Now you're on the way coming to them, but they get there first, they pick that person up, then they cancel on you guys. So now, when you could have actually got a trip and if it's a surge or whatever else, you just missed out on money because you thought you had a trip and you thought you were going to pick somebody up, but then you got a ghost rider. And that's what happens. Now on the other standpoint, the other side of the spectrum, you get a request. Let's say, for instance, better yet, that you're doing Uber and Lyft, guys, and it's a time when there's not many drivers out. And this is how I found out about this, because this actually happened to me one time. I got a request to pick somebody up on Uber, and I got a request to pick the same person up on Lyft. But here's the problem. Because the person was about 13 miles away from where I actually was, of course, I declined it on Lyft because, like I told you guys before, if it's over 5 miles, I'm not moving on Lyft. On Uber, yeah, I am, because at the 5 miles they're paying me. So I go to start driving toward this person on Uber. I did not accept the trip on Lyft, and I guess because they didn't want to have to pay the additional fee, the long distance pickup fee, they canceled on me. But because I was close enough on the way coming to get them anyway, they still wound up having to pay me a cancellation fee. So yeah, it worked out in my favor. But in the event that situation happened, because it does happen to people where they'll request an Uber and then they'll request a Lyft, and then you get there and they're hopping into another car and you're there to pick that person up, and then they cancel. Now, sometimes you will get the cancellation fee, other times you won't. So what do you do in a situation when you get scammed like this? Okay, guys, what do you do if you get to the person's house and you see them get into another vehicle and they cancel and you don't get the cancellation fee? What you should do, if you're on Uber, you need to call in the customer service and let them know that, hey, I was right here. And they're gonna be because they can track your phone by the GPS on how you go there. So you want to make sure that you're following the GPS properly anyway. What you should be doing, so you can make sure that in the event that they do cancel and you don't get the cancellation fee, you can call back in and request, and they will give you the cancellation fee. So that's one thing you can do with that situation. Also, if it is on Lyft, since Lyft actually doesn't have like a number that you can call in, you can go ahead and file you can go ahead and reach out to Lyft via Twitter or through the customer service in the app, and they will actually send you the number out, and you can let them know, hey, I was within range to pick this person up, and they canceled, and I saw the person get into another car. I don't know if they got in with an Uber driver or whatever, but they got in and left me kind of hanging high and dry. And Lyft will go ahead and retroactively go ahead and give you that cancellation fee as well, guys. But it's a nasty little scam that people do because they don't want to wait. They want to get the closest person to you, to them. So they will make you guys do the 100-yard Uber and Lyft dash, guys. So if you ever go through that situation, guys, and you don't want to lose out on your time and money, make sure that you get in contact with Uber and Lyft, let them know the situation, and you get your cancellation fee, guys, because this scam is real nasty and dirty. It doesn't get you deactivated or get you suspended, but it does rob you of your time, and time is money when you're out here doing Uber and Lyft or Lyft. Especially if you're doing this on a part-time basis and you want to maximize your profits, guys. So anyhow, guys, that's this video today. If this video is beneficial to you guys, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel so that you can know when I put out new content about anything that I do, whether I'm talking about Uber or Lyft or anything else that I talk about on my channel. Also, make sure that you click on the bell in the bottom right corner of this video so that you can get email notifications when I put out new content, guys. It's very important, especially if you want to get the knowledge to ensure that you have the best rideshare experience while you're out and about in the market trying to make that extra money while you're on your Uber and Lyft hustle, guys. Also, if you are currently an Uber and Lyft driver and you were not able to take advantage of the bonus that you get when you sign up with the current rideshare driver or the current Uber or Lyft driver, you can go to the links in the description below this video, guys. Click on sign up, use the information that you currently use to drive, and if they feel it's okay, you may not get your bonus retroactively paid to you. It's worth a try. It's extra money that you should have in your pocket anyway, guys. And if you are a new person looking to do Uber and Lyft, guys, you can go to those same links in the description, sign up, go out and drive, make you some money, and when you hit the qualifying number for enough trips during a certain given time, you will get a bonus anyway for just going out and driving and making money, guys. It's just that simple. So, like I said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, I'll be putting out new content. I'd like to see you watching my videos. Well, I can't see you watching my videos, but I'd like for you to watch more of my videos. So make sure that you go ahead and do everything I just said before. Anyhow, this is Desmond, the rideshare driver. I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye for now. And also, get your money. Hold up, Jadakiss. Not stealing your laugh, man. It just came out like that. Anyhow, peace.